Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is verify solution of a system of linear equations. To understand the concept, let's look at some questions. The first one says verify the solution. Is 8, 12 a solution of the following equations? And we're given two equations over here, 3x minus y equals to 12 and y equals to negative 2x plus 13. Before we go on to solve the question, let's see how we do it. What are the steps involved? Now we are given the values of x and y as 8, 12. In order to see whether 8, 12 is a solution of the given two equations, what we will be doing, we will be plugging the values of x and y in both the equations. So let's write on the first equation, 3x minus y equals to 12. So we plug x equals to 8, 3 times 8 minus 12 equals to 12. We'll write the number 12 also simultaneously. 3 times 8 is 24 minus 12 equals to 12. 24 minus 12 is 12 equals to 12. Now we see that 12 equals to 12 is true. That means 8, 12 satisfies the first equation. Let's see if it satisfies the second equation or not. So we have y equals to negative 2x plus 13. The value of y is 12 equals to negative 2 times 8 plus 13. 12 equals to negative 2 times 8 is 16 plus 13, negative 16. 12 equals to negative 16 plus 13 is negative 3. So we see that this is not true. That means 8, 12 doesn't satisfy the second equation. If it would have satisfied both the equations, then we say that x equals to 8 and y equals to 12 is a solution. In this case, 8, 12 is not a solution. Let's see which option is matching. A is ruled out because it is not a solution. 8, 12 doesn't work in the second equation. That's what we found. So this is the correct answer. For better understanding of the concept, let's look at some more questions. Verify the solution. Is 6, negative 3 a solution of the following equations? We are given two equations. So we say x equals to 6 and y equals to negative 3. We have to check for this whether they satisfy both the equations or not. So let's look one by one. We first take the first equation. We plug x equals to 6 plus 2 times negative 3 equals to 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 equals to 18. 24 minus 6 is 18 here. So this is true. That means x equals to 6 and y equals to negative 3 satisfies the first equation. Let's check out for the second one. 6x plus 2y equals to 24. 6 times 6 plus 2 times negative 3 equals to 24. 6 times 6 is 36. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 equals to 24. So we get 36 minus 6 is 30 equals to 24. So which is incorrect? This is not a solution first of all. And let's see according to the options. 6 comma negative 3 doesn't work in either equation. This is incorrect. It is working for the first one. It is not a solution. 6 comma negative 3 doesn't work in the second equation. That's what we found out. That means option C is the correct one. Let's try the next question. Verify the solution. Is 3 comma 7 a solution of the following equations? So we have to use x equals to 3 and y equals to 7. Let's try out the first equation. Y equals to 4x minus 5. So we plug y equals to 7. 4 times 3 minus 5. 7 equals to 4 times 3 is 12 minus 5. 7 equals to 7. So x equals to 3 and y equals to 7 satisfies the first equation. Let's look for the second one. 2x minus y equals to 3. 2 times 3 minus 7 equals to 3. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 7 equals to 3. Negative 1 equals to 3, which is incorrect. So that means x equals to 3 and y equals to 7 is not a solution of the system of equations given. So let's see the option. Option A says doesn't work in either equation. This is incorrect. It is working for the first one. It is again not a solution. So 3 comma 7 doesn't work in the second equation is the correct answer. I hope verifying solutions of a system of linear equations is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.